How to change Discord server name on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, let's navigate to the server that you want to change the name of. Once you are there, click on the server name at the top, then click on settings right here. And here from the settings section, click on overview, and you will see the first option. It says server name, so go ahead and change the name to the name you want to. And once you are done, click on save at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. Now if you go back, you will see that the server name has been changed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the server name on Discord mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.